Hello everyone, my name is Yamin Chen, and my major subject is creative product design. And the reason for choice because I want to stay in Tainan. I have lived in Tainan for 21 years. And today I will tell you about my interests, research history. And I will experience in 3 stages. First, cultural work. Second, historical art. And finally, cultural activity. Okay, first, about the world of culture and history. Sorry, I'm working as the library and history at the Tainan Cultural History Research Association. I'm currently writing a book. This is my first book, called On the Way to Destination Before Done. This is a book about Tainan local culture and psycho design. In the book, the most interesting chapter is Kampong Tainan people, Xinhua return to home design. This is a local creative design that designers from all over Taiwan return to their hometown to execute the proposal. This social innovation design links local culture, food, and people from different elements. And we went through 1,512 hours to finish. Finally, we held a cultural achievement history that Xinhua life story be felt by more people. And my second book about Tainan temple culture is the same. In the book, I will mention the history of all 5 pros and business style. And I wander around the area in the city every holiday because of my 3 generations in the city. The area is already like my own history. And second, about historical art. And my favorite thing is taking a picture to the place where the temple festival is held. To capture the most human aspects of Tainan. This is a good way to relax for me. Every summer vacation, I will ask as a historical guide, and I will take the tours to know the historic building such as Masu Temple or Guji Temple. And finally, about cultural activity. Every Chinese New Year, our association prepares for the Lantern Festival, and 2021 will be our 8th year. We have any experience ups and downs in the past 7 years, such as bad weather and underfunding. Future, we have support. In the future, the roads lantern all parked by us. The festival addressed more than 10,000 people. In the end, Tainan is a very nice city with the 400 history or food. Welcome to Tainan. This is my report. Thank you all for listening.